Hello from the Quails kingdom. It's really getting bushy in here. We have late spring, end of November, nearly end of November, here in Subtropics in Queensland. And I would like to show you what's happening in here. So I'm really happy. We are having lately rain on and off, on and off. So all the plants, the trees, everything is getting it's getting watered. Lovely. So let's have a look what's happening in here. Oh, and because some people were asking me, I will show you what I'm growing in here as well. So all the names and what's happening. Let's go. The quails are loving it in here. They really enjoy this place. And it makes me very happy to see it. So let's start here. This is the Brazilian spinach, which the boys and girls really enjoy. It's growing in a cage because otherwise there won't be any left very soon. So next to it here is the strawberry guava, which got lots of new growth since the beginning of spring now, and looking very nice and healthy, and having some flowers and some young fruitlets already in here. So next to it is the Ceylon Hill gooseberry, a very young plant that I recently planted, doing very well. So here the giant Thai white guava, which is loaded. It is loaded with fruit. I actually didn't trim it this time. I usually like to trim the guavas, but I didn't with this one. But still, really beautiful. Lots of new. Just stopped flowering and set lots of new fruitlets. Lots of fruit is coming. The Thai white is really nice for also for using as a veggie, also like for salads. So very happy with this one. Some fruit are already getting bigger. Then here I have the dwarf mulberry that I recently planted, also just at the beginning of spring. Same like the Ceylon Hill gooseberry. Lots of new growth, looking really nice. So here, this giant, actually, if you can see, this is the tree spinach. The tree spinach, one of the three varieties we are growing, and this one is the one with the largest leaves, which we also enjoy, but also the birds, they really like it. So not only the quails, but I'm also harvesting it regularly and giving to the birds, and of course we enjoy it too, especially the very young, like these ones. They are super yummy. The older ones are a little bit of like slimy, but still nice to eat. Still nice to eat. Here the grumichama, the black grumichama, also doing very well. Lots of new growth. doing good in here. Then the persimmon. Look at it. Huge, like nearly 2 meters now, I guess. Looking really nice. And here, in this corner, we have the Malaysian guava, or Malayan guava. I have to double check, which is still flowering and also set lots of fruit. For the very first time, I never tasted this variety, so looking forward to it. Lots of nice fruit. I will probably put some into netting bags so the fruit fly doesn't get all of them. But even if it does, some of the fruit, the birds are happy about it. They love the fruit and they love the fruit fly. Look at the pretty flowers. Oh, and I show you now the view from this corner here, from the very end. That's how it looks like at the moment, like really getting bushy, with all the fruit trees and fruiting bushes here in the Quail area, in the Aviary. Look at it. I really love it, how it turned. And these guys love it too. Yes, you do. They are not scared at all. Okay, let's move on. Oh, look, some eggs I have to collect. These grasses, I didn't plant them, but the birds love the seeds, so the grasses will stay. This is additional food for them. They really like it. And here the view from this corner. So that's the Malaysian guava there. And here we have the black Brazilian cherry. The black one is supposed to be much sweeter than the red or orange one. And I haven't tried the fruit yet. I never had the chance. So this will be really exciting. And wow! And now look at it. I think there is a young flower bud coming, so there is a chance I get to try the black Brazilian cherry very soon. I grew this baby from a seed, by the way, and it's doing very well in here. So here another tree spinach, which is a bit smaller than the other one over there. And here more grasses, more seeds for the birds. And let's move on. That's the persimmon we have seen from the other side. Here I have the orange grumichama, which I bought online. It has taken off really nicely. Only planted this spring, beginning of spring. And here, this one is the purple guava, which I also never tasted. But I like basically all guavas, so it will be nice to know how it tastes and to see the difference. But this one is also only planted beginning of spring now, and yeah, has taken off very nicely. Some new growth in there. Yeah, lush and green, getting the rain it needs. Love it. And we are back here at the giant Thai white guava. And I think that's about it. Everything growing really nicely. I am super happy. Oh, and look at the guinea fowls outside the Quails Aviary. And that's about it for today. I'm pretty happy with the progress, how the fruit trees and fruiting bushes and the edible greens are doing in here. All happy and healthy. Quails happy and healthy. So it's all good. Let me know what you think about the idea of growing food forest here in the aviary. And yeah, I hopefully see you next time. Enjoy your gardens. Bye bye.